how to use the more or less feature in PrizePicks. Now, the more or less feature on PrizePicks is a straightforward way to make predictions about player performances. Now, what is the more or less feature? This allows you to predict whether a player's performance in a specific category, example points, rebounds, touchdowns, etc., will be more or less than the given stat line. In order to use the more or less feature, just go to prizepicks.com and log into your respective account. Once you log into your respective account, you can simply choose a sport like NFL, NBA, CFP, and so on. Now, after that, you can find a player and a stat line you want to bet on. So over here, you can simply choose a player right here where you'd like to place a bet. Then after that, you should be able to see and the more or less feature over there. And once you see all those features over there, you can predict whether the player's performance will exceed more or fall short of less given the stat line that are currently given right here. You can also add this to your entry. You can tap your selection and add it to your entry slip, and you can also choose additional picks. So you can combine multiple more or less predictions into your entry, minimum of 2 for a valid entry. This is how you can go ahead and then use the more or less feature on PrizePicks. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.